Hello everyone, I'm Tarun, technical sales engineer at Fortress. We are here today at Omnifactory. So because we're dealing with a lot of high robots, safety always comes in an aspect. Over here we have worked with Uni of Nottingham to specify an interlock unit which allows an access to the actual Omnifactory to control any safety hazards. They've chosen PoE to go with, so this is our new technology, PoE. So PoE means power over Ethernet. So we can have our units running on a single cable, which allows us to reduce the cost, which allows us to reduce the lead time, which allows us to reduce the installation, which is basically what the Omnifactory is trying to do with their reconfigurable with the advanced manufacturing. Over here, they have also integrated some control IOs, which they're using as a part of their safety start and safety stop within having control boxes within the cell in the control room where they can start the process and stop the process. The purpose of these interlocks is to make sure and allow a safe access so no one can access these and make sure that no one has come to the hazardous of the robots, the big robots as you can see behind us that are currently being used to stop any unauthorized person getting access into this area. That's why we're using our interlocks. First of all, it allows the customer to only have one single cable, which means reduction in cable length, reduction in installation time, and it allows the ease of installation as well, and it makes it neat, whereas having a bunch of cables being hardwired to the unit. As this is a prototype Omnifactory, we're trying to keep everything clean and neat, and that's where the PoE goes very well with this, with having only one cable. So what does having one cable does? It allows you to have a faster and cheaper installation and makes it the wiring to the PLC much more easier, whereas having to run down multiple wires, you will only take one single cable, which will have both power and data. Having this unit as an interlock unit over the PoE, you can also do the customized controls on these. So you can have multiple different control IOs performing different functionalities that could include, for this example, like e-stop, request to enter, stop, reset, and these can be modified as per the customer's requirement. You can also engrave these as well to make it more easier to interact with. We have also provided Uni of Nottingham some control option pods. What that allows them to do is run out a safety process. So what control box does, it allows you to have different functionalities of these control IOs on its own at any location as you would like. Once again, those control boxes can also be again on the network, running over the power over Ethernet PoE, reducing your installation cost, reducing your cable lengths, improving and reducing your total cost of ownership.